Most affordable house and lot in Nuvali for as low as 40,000 pesos per month. Continue watching this video to find out more. Good morning, future investors. New year, new beginnings, new investment. This is CJ Kabuhat from Real Deal Real Estate, your property specialist, ready to assist you. Whether you are looking for an investment, a starting family, or an OFW who is looking for a retirement home, this is the best time to buy this property. Welcome to Southdale Settings, Nuvali. Before we start, mag-drive tour muna tayo around Nuvali going to Southdale. If you're coming from Metro Manila, you can take SLEX and exit to Mamplasan. After Mamplasan, may rotonda or roundabout. You can take the first exit going to Calax, and from Calax, take the first exit, yung Laguna Boulevard. After that, front na ng Nuvali. Aside from Calax, you can take Canluvang exit or yung newly opened Nuvali flyover or the future Batino exit. Nuvali is the largest eco-city development of Ayala here in the Philippines. It's 2,500 hectares. It is twice the size of Makati and 10 times the size of BGC. It consists of 3 major cities, namely Santa Rosa, Laguna, Calamba, and Cabuyao. Nuvali is divided into 4 segments. We have Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and Nuvali Heights. Sa Nuvali North, ito yung commercial hub where you will find Ayala Malls Nuvali and yung ongoing construction ng Soledad 4 to be the next Greenbelt of the South, and also the ongoing construction ng SM Neo Verde. You will also find the big box Nuvali kung nasan yung mga retail brands such as McDo, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, and Uniqlo, along with generous open areas for parking. Malapit sa Big Box Nuvali ang our own hospital, which is Healthquay Qualimed. We also have SNR and Landers. Aside from this, Nuvali North also features Seda Hotel and the Nuvali Techno Hub. On our left is East Block. It's 11.7 hectares. Ito yung East CBD or Commercial Business District ng Nuvali North na magkakaroon ng offices. Yung tapat naman nito is North CBD. It is 5 times the size of East Block, plus the Lakeside Evo Zone na together, ito yung magiging Metro Nuvali. From Nuvali North, we head next to Nuvali Central. Dito sa Nuvali Central, ito yung tinatawag na Central Block. It's a total of 12 hectares. As you can see, tapos na po yung Merrimart. Ito yung malapit na grocery store if you're living in the Nuvali South. Sa Nuvali South, doon yung mga residential communities natin like Southdale Settings. And ngayon naman, ginagawa na yung The Shops. Ito yung restaurants and coffee shops na malapit din sa mga residential community. So you don't need to go to Nuvali North para mag-coffee or para mag-grocery. Here at Central Block, ito yung parang Molito in Alabang. So meron tayong combination ng bank, spa, dental clinic, mga salon na mga low-rise buildings here in Nuvali Central. So you don't need to go to Nuvali North or outside Nuvali para magpa-spa, magpa-dental, and other stuff na gagawin mo. Ang pinakamalapit na school dito is yung Xavier School. Around 3 to 5 minutes walk lang po yung Xavier School natin. Nasa likod lang siya ng Merrimart. Apart from this, meron tayong Everest Academy, Sandu Valley South, and Miriam College. Yun yung mga schools natin inside Nuvali. Right now, we're here at Southdale Settings, Nuvali. Great news po, no? Mag-start na po ang pag-turnover ng property this year, 2026. So, congratulations sa mga client ko na kumuha ng property here in Southdale. Southdale Settings is 20 hectares in size with 1 hectare allotted for the amenities. Yung elevation is from 172 meters up to 202 meters above sea level. You'll have the prime view of Mount Makiling, Laguna de Bay, and Tagaytay Ridge. Because of a high elevation, flood is never an issue. Ito yung main entrance natin dito sa Southdale Settings. Kung mapapansin nyo, yun yung entrance and ito yung exit. Isa lang po yung gate natin or yung entrance kasi maliit lang naman tong subdivision. If you're looking for a lot only, you can get 128 square meters up to 193 square meters for as low as 24,000 per month after po ninyo mag 10% spot down payment. The total contract price approximately starts at 5.7 million for the lot only. You can build your own house as long as modern, contemporary, and earth colors po. For the height restriction naman, 9 meters from the highest peak of your lot up to the roof. Take note po no, na few units left na lang ang available natin for the lot only here in Southdale. For house and lot package, we have Macy S2 for as low as 40,000 pesos per month. The floor area is 67 square meters and yung lot area naman is 130 square meters. We also offer no spot down payment for as low as 87,000 pesos per month. So after po ninyo mag-reserve, proceed na po tayo sa monthly amortization na 87,000 pesos per month. As you can see, yung main road ng Southdale Settings is 15 meters wide. After the main road, may makikita tayong planting strip. After the planting strip is may walk path pa before your property line. This one is yung Macy S2 na sample deliverable unit natin. This is 67 square meters yung floor area and yung lot area naman po nito is 130 square meters para ma-visualize natin ano ba yung itsura ng 130 square meters na lot area. Dito sa property line natin, ito yung carport natin. 1 to 2 cars ang kasya po, naka-parallel parking. And dito namang sa side na to is yung garden natin. So you can turn this into your mini garden or depende po sa preference natin, no? Before we go inside the house, i-check muna natin yung paligid ng property. Dito naman sa side na to is ganito pa kalaki yung side natin hanggang dito sa halaman. So i-check naman natin yung hanggang dun sa dulo. Malaki pa yung space natin from our lanay going dito sa back door natin. So, pwede nyo pa itong gawing dirty kitchen or pwede natin i-expand hanggang dito yung property natin. Depende po yun kung ano po yung preferred natin and yung mga pag-expand and pag-modify ng unit natin is after the turnover and by approval po ng developer. This side naman sa carport natin, actually mahaba pa siya hanggang dito pa yan. So, kaya yung 2 cars naka-parallel parking lang, magkasunod po siya para magkasya and malawak pa talaga yung 130 square meters. Hanggang dito po ang property line natin sa gilid. So, let's start. Check our model house na. Let's go. Wow. Once you enter the house, sobrang aliwalas kasi ang daming windows, ang daming natural light. So, mapapansin nyo dito, open layout yung house and lot natin na Macy. It's a total of 67 square meters yung floor area. Meron tayo dito sa site na to, malaking space, pwede nyo pang lagyan ng storage room. And sa ilalim ng stairs, tignan natin, no? Makikita nyo meron pa tayong additional storage. So, ang daming space na pwedeng gamitin. And this side naman is yung toilet and bath natin sa ground floor. Dito sa toilet na to, complete fixtures na siya. So, kayo na lang yung magde-design if palalagyan nyo siya ng partition glass natin para yung water is hindi kumalat sa buong comfort room natin. This side naman is, ito yung magiging dining area natin with kitchen countertop sa gilid. So, ito yung sample deliverable unit ng kitchen countertop. Pwede natin itong i-expand hanggang dito sa pinto para maluwang and malaki yung kitchen natin. And dito sa side naman, pwede natin ilagay dito yung fridge natin. And mapapansin nyo, meron tayong lanay. So, while having coffee in the morning, meron kang magandang view ng garden mo. Pwede tayong lumabas dito. And dito tayo mag-breakfast. Meron din tayo dito sa kitchen ng glass window. So, habang naghuhugas tayo ng plates, meron tayong natural light, and pagdi-disinfect na din siya if hindi natin lalagyan to ng curtain or nakabukas yung curtain natin dito sa my kitchen. And this side naman is yung ating back door. So, ito yung back door natin. Pwede natin i-expand itong house natin hanggang dito for your dirty kitchen. Kung ayaw mo namang gamitin yung main kitchen natin, pwede tayo mag-dirty kitchen sa likod. Dito sa area na to, dito natin pwede ilagay yung sofa natin, and dito naman yung wall-mounted TV natin para hindi malakain yung malaking space if maglalagay pa tayo ng divider. Pero depende naman po sa inyo kung maglalagay pa rin kayo ng divider, no? And pwede tayo maglagay ng full height curtain para mas nakakalaki or mas nakakaaliwalas tignan yung ground floor natin because of the full height curtain. Let's check naman yung upstairs natin. Ganito ka-spacious yung stairs natin. Wooden type yung stairs natin, and meron tayong handrails, coated siya ng white paint. And kung mapapansin nyo dito, meron na naman tayong another window, nag-add na naman tayo ng natural light. So, mas maliwanag talaga sa umaga kapag nakabukas to and wala tayong curtain, or let's say nakabukas yung curtain or yung blinds. As you can see there, meron tayong another malaking glass window sa corner ng bahay. So, maliwanag na naman po yung na-add dito sa loob ng bahay. This side naman is yung toilet and bath. Ito yung common toilet and bath natin for the mga bedrooms dito sa second floor. Same ng fixtures dun sa baba. So, palagay na lang tayo ng glass partition. And ang maganda dito is meron tayong window dito sa CR. I-check naman natin yung first bedroom. Dito sa first bedroom, ang laki ng space. So, kaya ng full double size ng bed. Meron tayong one glass window dito sa kabilang side and dito sa side na to. So, ang aliwalas and maliwanag siya. Meron tayong provision for the window type aircon. So, doon naman tayo sa kabilang bedroom. This second bedroom, same lang din naman ng fixture sa kabila. Malaki pa din, spacious pa din yung second bedroom natin. Kaya pa din ng full double bed size, and meron tayong window pa din dito sa second bedroom and provision for the window type aircon. Ngayon, i-check naman natin yung master bedroom. Dito sa master bedroom, kasya yung queen size or king size ng bed. So, mga ganito siya kalaki. And meron tayong malaking glass window. So, pwede kayo maglagay dito ng mini chair or mini table para in the morning or sa hapon, pwede tayo mag-sightseeing if umuulan. So, magandang view siya. Actually, ito facing north. So, ang facing natin dito is Laguna de Bay. Dito naman, just to give you an idea or just to visualize kung ano bang itsura ng magiging house and lot natin kay Macy if furnished na siya inside. So, let's check. Once you enter this house, ganito na yung makikita natin. So, naglagay na sila ng sofa. And kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung glass window natin. So, ganito kaaliwalas. Pag nakabukas yung curtain, marami pa ding glass window dito sa bahay na to. Natakpan lang because of the full height curtain. This side naman is merong TV stand. And andito yung TV. Siguro mas okay kung i-wall mounted na lang natin yung TV para mas malaki yung space natin dito sa living area. And they put two chairs here and two seats ng sofa with the center table. And this side is yung another window natin. So, pag nakabukas yung mga full height curtain natin, maaliwalas siya tignan. And this side is yung lanay area. Dito sa lanay area, katapat niya yung dining table. So, they put 6 chairs. Actually, kasya pa nga dito yung 8 chairs. Kung medyo expand natin, kasi ang laki pa ng space dito sa side na to. So, pwede pa natin siyang lakihan. And this one is yung kitchen countertop. What I like about this is naglagay sila ng overhead cabinet around the window. So, malaki pa yung space nila dito sa taas. And pag inopen mo tong blinds natin na to, maliwanag pa siya kasi meron pang light dito sa facing natin. So, yun pa din, ito yung back door. So, meron tayong step and yung space natin if we expand this part for our dirty kitchen. Ang ganda kasi naglagay sila ng malaking mirror. Parang ito yung mas napapalawak sa house kasi meron tayong big mirror sa tapat ng dining area and the kitchen. And dito sa side na to is yung storage area natin under the stairs. So marami tayong pwedeng ilagay na gamit if ganito yung ipapayos natin dito sa may space natin sa ilalim ng stairs. And meron pa tayong dito sa side na to, meron pa tayong storage area. Yung pinakita ko kanina sa inyo sa deliverable unit natin. Pwede natin palagyan din ng mini, maliit na pinto. And this side naman is yung sa circuit breaker natin. So, hindi siya pansinin. So, hindi mo akalain na nandito yung circuit breaker natin. This side naman is yung toilet and bath natin for the ground area. So, you can put this kind of glass partition para habang nagtitake ka ng shower, hindi mababasa yung toilet part natin. Lavatory with face mirror. And meron din tayong, munti kong makalimutan, yung ating favorite window. So, meron tayong, hindi na kailangan maglagay ng exhaust fan kasi pwede naman natin siyang buksan. Mas natural siya, diba? And mas maliwanag. Check naman natin ngayon yung second floor. So, ganito yung mangyayari pag may blinds tayo dito sa corner natin. Dahil maganda yung glass window, ang laki. So, pag binuksan mo yung ating blinds, nag-a-add pa siya ng natural light dito sa stairs. Ang spacious, ang liwanag, ang perfect ng bahay. So, this side naman, meron pa tayong another glass window. So, ganito siya kaaliwalas tingnan. You have the view of Mount Makiling. And facing north is yung Laguna de Bay. Ito, facing south, meron kang view of greeneries. And this side is yung toilet and bath. Same fixture siya ng toilet and bath natin sa ground floor. Move forward naman tayo sa first bedroom. So, dito, naglagay sila ng single bed. Meron ding cabinet and yung side table natin. And this one is the Roman blinds. So, pag naglagay tayo ng Roman blinds, ganito siya kaganda. Buksan, di ba? Ang liwanag pa rin dito sa first bedroom. And meron pa tayong another glass window dito sa side na to. Kung mapapansin nyo. Ayan. Sobrang liwanag. So, move forward naman tayo sa second bedroom, no? Ito naman yung second bedroom natin. So, mapapansin nyo, boy version naman yung second bedroom. Same sa first bedroom, single bed, side table for the study table, and ito yung cabinet natin. Spacious pa rin siya. Kasya pa yung double full size bed dito or queen size kung gusto niyo ng malaking higaan naman. No? So, moving forward tayo sa ating master bedroom. As you can see, ang laki ng spacious dito sa master bedroom natin. Isipin nyo, ito yung main door natin. And ganito pa kalaki yung space natin before the cabinet. Take note lang po no, na all removables are not included. Meaning, yung mga furnitures natin hindi po kasama sa deliverable unit natin. So, ito is to visualize kung ano yung maganda i-design or ano yung magandang ilagay sa ating future home. This side is naglagay sila ng cabinet with the mirror. So, na ano yung space natin, no? Hindi na-consume yung space o ang laki pa rin dito sa side na to. And this side is yung ating glass window. So, ganito kaliwanag. Meron ka pang view while raining or pwede ka mag-sightseeing. Kung makapapansin nyo, kitang-kita yung Mount Makiling dito sa side natin. And hindi lang ito yung glass window natin, meron pa tayong corner glass window dito sa part na to. So, natatakpan lang siya ng full height curtain, no? Pwede tayong maglagay dito ng chair para in the morning, while having coffee, maganda yung view natin. And etong bed na to is the queen size bed. So, kung gusto niyo ng malaki, king size bed, kasya naman, isasagad niyo lang sa kabilang part na yun. So, konti lang yung space na matitira dito sa side na to. And this side is merong side table, makakaikot ka pa dito sa bed. You can put like this, mirror or clock, wall clock, ganyan. And meron tayong provision for the window type air condition. For this house and lot, itong Macy S2 natin, now 67 floor area ang square meters and yung lot area is 130 square meters. Starts at 40,000 pesos per month after po natin mag 10% spot down payment. Meron din naman tayong option na no spot down payment for as low as 87,000 pesos per month. So, ang gagawin lang natin, magre-reserve lang tayo and then proceed with the monthly amortization natin na 87,000 pesos per month. For the total contract price of this house and lot, approximately 10 million. But we have two options po to pay the property. First is yung staggered payment. Ito yung sinasabi ko na magta 10% spot down payment tayo and ang magiging monthly na lang natin is 40,000 pesos. Or yung no spot down payment at all, magdediretso na lang tayo ng monthly amortization na 87,000 pesos per month. Second po is yung spot cash payment, meaning babayaran na natin ng buo yung property. Ito, makakakuha tayo ng malaking discount and makakapag-move in ka na dito sa bahay na pag nakapag-spot cash payment ka na. Now it's time for you to turn your real estate dreams into reality. For more information, sample computation, or to schedule your site viewing, feel free to contact me or call me at 63915-543-0305 via Viber, iMessage, or WhatsApp. Or message me on my Facebook page at Real Deal Real Estate, Ayala Land by Christine Kabuhat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more of Nuvali projects. Again, this is CJ from Real Deal Real Estate.